So I've been selling on Amazon for around 4.5 years now. I've launched way over 100 products, and in that time, I've been using Helium10 software to do it all. Now, in that time of launching over 100 products, you seem to figure out a few hacks. You figure out a few secrets. And that's exactly what I'm going to go through in this video. I'm going to show you two hacks, two secrets that I found that almost guarantees I'm onto something. Let's go.
So guys and girls, the first hack, the first secret that a lot of people don't really ever think about or really look into is on X-Ray. So we've got the Amazon page up here. What I'm going to do is get X-Ray up as well. So once you install the Helium 10 Chrome extension, get a, by the way, 20% discount code for 6 months below using code Hayden6M20. You can go onto X-Ray here, and what you want to do is go and filter results, click the hide sponsored results. And on any page here, what most people just look at is, the price, they look at the search volume or anything like that. And all here you can look over and you can look at the review count, you can look at the images and everything like that. But what people do not take into account, which has a massive impact on the success rate of your product, is validating on the right the actual creation date of that product. Okay, so let's look at the creation date of these products here. Now, this one is 2023. This one is 2012. It's 2012, right? So what I always do, which most people do not do, and this is a major hack if you know this, right? I check the date it was created. And if I know that this product was created fairly recently, like this one was, okay, not long ago, about 1.5 years ago, if I can see that they've got not that many reviews, 47, and they're actually selling 58, not loads of sales this one, but it is still selling, then that's a massive insight into whether you're going to have a successful product or not, okay? Always look at the creation date here, and look at the amount of review counts, and that will give you a massive insight, guys, onto whether your product's going to be successful. Why? Because you can see someone else that has already been successful doing that. That's hack number one. Right, we are now into sourcing hack number 2. Now, sourcing hack number 2 is when you're in their stores. And we're going to use Helium 10 to figure out what the best selling products are. So, look, we've all done it before. You've been sourcing a product. You think that, that seller sells the sort of stuff that you want to build your brand around. And you click into their store to check them out. Now, what a lot of people don't do is this little hack, this little secret that I'm going to show you here. So you open their page here, and it's got a list of all their products here, right? But most of these products, not all of them, are going to be successful, guys. And you don't want to start emulating products that are not successful. So what we're going to do is filter by revenue. Click that twice, and it will show us the best selling products to the worst selling products. So it's going to come up with the revenue here. Go on to one of your competitors, and you can look at the best selling product there. So you've got revenue there, which is the best, and it happens to be the best seller. So as you can see, it's this product here. We can then open that, look into that a little bit more. It's athlete's foot treatment powder. We can go over, we've got the creation date, and then what we can do is start looking back on the keywords. Now we know that that's a good selling product, and what the hack that we did earlier, we can see when it was created, and then we can go and check on the keywords, check for other competition, and we got a pretty good insight that if we launch a product that is better than that or innovates that product in some way in them keywords, that this is probably going to be successful. Because why not? Because this one's successful as long as we can get it around about the same price point, guys. So you click by revenue there, which is something that I've always done. Click by revenue on the actual product page itself, and it will show you the best to the worst products from your competitors. This is the second best product here. We can click into that. We can also click this, run Cerebro, find all the keywords for that. And once again, if it was created fairly recently, if the product doesn't look something crazy, something that we can not necessarily copy but improve somewhat, put our own branding on it, then you've got a pretty good chance of competing, guys. I hope that video's helped. They're the two main sourcing hacks, tips, secrets, tricks that I've used on Helium 10 to get myself more sales. I'll see you soon.